Okay, so welcome back. In this video I'm going to cover how to prevent your website from being hacked and how to protect yourself online when you are browsing the internet. So let's get started. First of all, I recommend using the Vega scanner, which helps you to find web application vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, directory listing, and many more. So if your website is built with WordPress, then you need to change your admin username because WordPress by default creates an admin username and it's much more easier for a hacker to guess your password. You can also install security plugins like all-in-one WordPress security or brute force login protection to prevent your website against brute force login attacks. And if your website has file upload form, then you need to treat this very carefully, because the files could contain a script or malicious code, which can compromise the website. A good solution is to change the file permission so it can be executed. And lastly, I strongly recommend using SSL protocol for establishing encrypted links between a web server and the browser. The SSL technology ensures that all data transmitted between the web server and browser remains encrypted. Okay, so now let's see how you can protect yourself online. First thing, when you are browsing the internet and use sensitive information such as usernames, passwords, or credit card numbers, make sure the URL begins with HTTPS, which is a protocol used for secure communications. And if you are using a wireless connection, please don't forget to secure your network using WPA, because all information can be intercepted by someone nearby using a tool like Wireshark. Next, you need to protect from malware by installing an antivirus program on the computer and use a browser such as Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Don't use older versions of Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer is very insecure. I also discussed about phishing attack in the course. So this occurs when an attacker tricks a victim into opening an email or fake website to steal the user information. Okay, now everything that I mentioned in this video is a step in the right direction. The more you care about security, the harder it gets for a hacker to break in. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.